How to see who views your Facebook profile. In this short video, I'm going to talk about how to see who views your Facebook profile. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so everyone's curious to see who's been viewing their Facebook profile. It's a very popular search term on YouTube and on the internet in general. If you head over to the Play Store and do a search for who viewed my Facebook profile, you'll see hundreds of apps that claim to be able to do this for you. But most of them are scams and they're just trying to steal your information. So I do not recommend that you download any of these apps. If you head back over to the Facebook app and then head over to the Help Center, and when you're here, do a search for who viewed my profile, and then you'll be able to find the official advice from Facebook from the first result, which says, can I tell who's looking at my Facebook profile? And the answer is no. Facebook does not let people track who views their profile. Third-party apps also can't provide this functionality. If you come across an app that claims to offer this ability, please report the app. So in short, you're not able to tell who has been looking at your Facebook profile. And do not try downloading a third-party app because they're probably just trying to scam you. So please pay attention to this advice and just give up on it. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.